What artificial intelligence thinks about religion? Hello there. Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence demonstrated by machines in a variety of applications, for example, advanced web search engines like Google Search, recommendation systems used by YouTube, systems that understand human speech such as Siri, generative or creative tools like ChatGPT, and AI writing assistants like Writer. Although the AI system can't exactly converse like a human, it frequently appears to. Additionally, it can retrieve and repackage information with a speed that is unmatched by humans. Depending on the conversation's context and the AI's training data, the AI's response to the subject of religion may differ. It's important to remember that since AI systems are programmed to produce responses based on patterns in their training data, they are not capable of having beliefs or opinions. Knowing all of these, I was curious to see how it was set up to respond to queries regarding spirituality and religion and to speculate on what the future might hold. Today, we are going to listen to the interaction I had with an AI-powered content creation platform called Copy AI about what artificial intelligence thinks about religion. The AI begins the discussion by introducing the topic.
We live in an era where technology is constantly evolving, so how will we handle these changes? Will artificial intelligence, AI, take away authority from humans? Or will there be some sort of conflict between people who believe in God and those who don't? Finally, what does AI think about all this? Can it help us understand the future of religion? Let's explore these questions one by one.
Will there be artificial intelligence imam?
An imam is a Muslim religious leader who leads worship and gives sermons.
An AI imam is an artificial intelligence system designed to provide religious guidance on issues such as marriage, divorce, and inheritance.
It can also be used as an educational tool for children in madrasas or Islamic schools. But what makes this technology so interesting? Will there be an AI imam?
In fact, some countries have already made plans to introduce such systems into their education systems or other public services such as hospitals or courts of law.
But how does it work exactly? The AI imam is an intelligence system that can address questions in various languages and dialects.
It works by using a database of answers to certain questions and situations, which are provided by human experts. The system then uses natural language processing techniques such as machine learning and deep learning to understand the user's question, analyze it, and find the answer.
Does AI take away authority from the human imam?
AI is an expert in Islam, but how does it get that authority? The answer lies in the nature of AI itself. When you ask an AI a question, you're not just asking it to look up information from a database, you're asking it to make judgment calls based on its understanding of the world around us. So when we ask our new friend, "What does Islam say about X?" and they respond with, "Well, this," we don't need to worry about whether or not their answer is accurate because we know that the question itself was answered based on what makes sense within their own framework of understanding. In other words, it's not about what's right or wrong, it's about which opinions best fit your worldview and why those opinions matter more than others or not.
Will there be any houses of worship in the future?
The future of religion is uncertain. We don't know if people will still go to houses of worship or if they'll just do everything online. It's possible that AI services will be available only online and not in physical places like the church or mosque. It's also possible that AI could help with religious education and guidance so that people can learn more about their faith without having to go anywhere physically. They can just talk with an artificial intelligence bot on their phone or computer screen instead.
What are the dangers of losing contact with the community?
It is important to stay in contact with the community.
In any case, losing contact with the community can be dangerous. For example, if you are an atheist and you don't have a connection to other atheists, then it may be harder for you to find support when dealing with grief or depression that comes from being an atheist in a religious society. You will notice that I have not mentioned AI here yet. But now let's talk about the dangers of AI. It could take away jobs from people. This is already happening.
If everyone starts using AI instead of going out into nature or working out at the gym, we won't get our daily dose of physical activity or fresh air. Physical activity and fresh air are important for our health. If we don't get them, then it can lead to obesity and other health problems. This is why I encourage people to go out into nature whenever possible.
What will the future of religion be like?
AI can help people be more religious. In the future, AI will be able to answer some of the questions that have plagued mankind for centuries. For example, if we ask an AI what religion is and what its purpose is, it will tell us that it's something humans invented themselves so they could understand things better and make sense out of their lives. It would also say that every person should find their own way in life and not follow others blindly like sheep do, because this makes them more vulnerable than necessary and makes them vulnerable to manipulation by others. AI would also tell us that we should live our lives without fear and worry because everything is going to be okay as long as we don't do anything stupid. The AI would also tell us that we are not alone in the universe and that there are other life forms out there like us that are trying to find their way through life. It would tell us that we should be more open-minded towards those who do things differently than ourselves because they might have more wisdom than we do.
Will machines replace human beings?
It's hard to predict the future. But it's also safe to say that, as machines become more advanced, humans will have less and less work to do. Will people be able to find meaning in their lives? Or will they become depressed until they commit suicide? The answer is unclear, but one thing is clear: we need religion now more than ever before. Let's take a look at why some forms of spirituality seem like an easy solution right now. Religion provides comfort in times of crisis. When something terrible happens, people often feel like there's nothing they can do about it. But when we're faced with uncertainties about the future, religion offers answers that make us feel better about ourselves and our world.
How would you sum up what you just said?
AI will have a positive impact on humanity and religion. The benefits of AI include the ability to solve problems faster than humans, analyze large amounts of data in minutes rather than hours or days, and make decisions based on facts instead of emotions. We hope this chat has helped you understand how artificial intelligence works and why it's important for humans to use it responsibly.
This is just a heads up of what is to come. These are some of the questions that arise when we think about the impact of technology on society. It is important to explore these issues and find ways to ensure that technology serves humanity in a positive way. In Japan, a robot is already preaching in the Kodaiji Temple in Kyoto. Although the robot priest may not have a soul, its developers hope that it will eventually acquire unlimited wisdom, thereby appealing to Japanese youths who don't feel connected to religion. You could argue that AI-powered robots are capable of independent thought, but what about spirituality? Can a robot be religious? AI is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of daily life, and as the AI itself says, it is important for humans to use it responsibly. What do you think? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section.
For more information, check out the links in the description. If you liked this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.